along the former Pennsy Panhandle, an October run from Denison to Morgan Run shops. The Columbus and Ohio River, as it is known today, crosses Ohio Central's Zanesville line at Morgan Run. An open house at the new shops also brought in a train of scouts from Coal City. Ohio Central claimed to be the only railroad offering a merit badge program. 7 stations were set up through the shop, covering various aspects of equipment, right-of-way, even model railroading. It is not easy trying to breathe life into one of these old hulks. The Grand Trunk Western 484 was receiving a much more thorough rebuilding than originally planned. She is expected to see service in June. Locomotive restoration is painstaking work. For example, each superheater tube represents a full day's labor, and there are 70 such tubes. Off to the side sits the cab. Not quite ready for service were 2 F units recently acquired from the Gettysburg. In the afternoon drizzle, the special returns to Denison, which houses a fine museum.